The damn cameo don't even work. Okay.
You're so goddamn pretty, 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 babe. Yeah, you're so goddamn pretty, 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 babe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember in the last vlog I explained to you guys how I came up with my logo and how I was able to forward that information over to the website designer. Well, come to find out, when I sent over the information to him, he was like, yeah, this isn't gonna work. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Long story short, you guys, basically he told me in so many words that my logo looked generic. Comparing this old logo to my new logo that I'm working on currently, I do kind of see what he means. So yeah, let me show y'all this. This was my first logo and I honestly think that it's adorable. Let me turn the light back on so y'all can see. Maybe that'll help y'all a little bit better see. Okay. So yeah, like I feel like it has the whole Barbie theme going on across the top of the diamond. You know, I was really feeling it. I was like, okay, this is cute. I can definitely, why is my camera getting dark? I was like, okay, this is cute. I can definitely see this on my page, you know, yada, 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 so on and so forth. And the man tells me, yeah, this is not gonna work. He told me, he said, basically it looks like you just took a word and put it on top of an image. And I want to say, you're genius. That's exactly what I did. I ended up working on a new logo, and I guess that he's a graphic designer himself, and so he was trying to like persuade me into like using him to make my logo. And I was like, okay, well, how much is that gonna cost? And he was like $60, and I was like, oh hell to the no, no, no. What I did, you guys, is I created my own logo on Keynote. I expressed to him like I wanted something girly, something really feminine, you know, something with a little bit of sex appeal. And really he was like, well, what does sex appeal mean? I mean like girly, like something that is my personality. Like if I'm selling bling cups and stuff, I want something that's sparkly, something that's vibrant, something that's fun, but still minimalistic and clean, if you get what I'm saying. I finally came up with the perfect logo. Like I said, I'm still working on it, but I'm definitely going to show you guys once I am finished. I do get what he was saying. The first logo that I had sent over to him was a little bit, I'm not gonna say generic. It's cute, but it was very simple. It wasn't really speaking Mila Simone, you know what I'm saying? It was very like effortless, but still cute. But anyways, the new one I'm working on currently is much, much better, and it is definitely to die for. I'm gonna show you guys, like I said, as soon as I'm finished with it. Okay, so remember the Starbucks cup that I showed you guys? Yes, I am finally finished. I also created this one. This is like a little nice tumbler. I'm not done with it yet. I still have to do the sides of the cup because the top is pretty much done, but I need to go in with my tool and fill in like the gaps. But yeah, this one is pretty much done. I'm gonna make a silver one, a black one, and probably a baby pink one. Okay, you guys, so I am on my software, and here is my rhinestone silhouette that I have already created. And I'm gonna be printing this out in all rhinestones and placing it on a sweatshirt. So I'm gonna show you guys how I print this off and how I put my rhinestones in it. This is the tricky part because, like I said, I have never used my Silhouette Cameo machine, so I'm not really sure how to work it. But here's the Silhouette Cameo machine. First of all, it was supposed to be white, okay? Because the box had a white Silhouette Cameo machine on it. But when I got home and opened it up, it was black, and there was no point in me, you know, running back up to the store because they only had one more left, and I just feel like it wasn't necessary. Girl, the TE is, the damn Cameo don't even work. Okay, clearly all day long pressing the power button. Yeah, it's broke. It's defective. I already Google searched what time Joann's opens up in the morning, and they open up at 9 a.m. I probably won't even go to sleep tonight. That is wrong. That is wrong on so many levels, okay, Charlotte? Because what if I wanted to make a cut tonight? What if I had somebody say, Mila, I want a shirt that say real boss? And I'm like, okay, girl, I got you. Let me go in there and hook my silhouette. Girl, not tonight, I won't. Looking right silly, like Silly Willy Gump. Here's the cutting board. They can have a little cutting board back, child. I'm putting everything that it came with back in the box.
Lord Claude, I tell you, folks always up to no good.
Okay, y'all, so we are using our good old Cricut software. They got me with the Cameo machine, but it's okay because I'm gonna get them back tomorrow. We're still gonna be cutting out the same template. However, it's just gonna be in the Cricut software rather than in the other software that I was using. So how we do that is we take our template and we go to File, and I'm gonna save it to hard drive. And then we're going to title it, Barbie logo. You are going to click make it. Okay, so there we have our template right there on our cutting mat. Now we wait for it to cut out everything. Okay, y'all, so it is finally done. The template is finally done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Cricut off because I no longer need it. I am done with it. I'm gonna scoot this back here to the back, and I'm gonna proceed to show you guys how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this over, take it off of my mat, and yeah, here we go. So I'm trying to see. I'm gonna cut off this extra flock paper because this is flock paper that I can use later. You just peel it off, but peel nice and slowly so that you don't like distort the flock paper. So you want to lay this on a flat surface, and then once again I'll probably put this further back here because I don't want to make a mess. Okay, so you want to make sure your sticky material is on a flat surface. Now I'm going to go in with some rhinestones. Now I want to say I purchased SS10s to go in these, but I may have used SS6s. I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the stones, just pour them all over the top of here. But yeah, all you want to do is just take your brush. This is a painter's brush, by the way. I ordered this off of Etsy, and you just want to brush the stones in. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but after finally getting all of your rhinestones brushed into the template, this is what it should look like. And so now, so you want to grab your heat resistant transfer tape, and you want to make sure you like measure it about this much. I don't want to waste transfer tape if I don't have to. So I'm going to cut it and measure it perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to cut off about this much, and I am going to take my transfer tape, you guys. It's super sticky, but I'm going to take my transfer tape. It's clear just like this. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, let's try this again before my camera go dead. So you cannot, clearly you cannot do that with this type of material. You cannot do that. I mean, you cannot, child. So I'm gonna just put this transfer tape down like so, and make sure it's flat on all sides, and then I'm just going to stretch it across like so, and press down. This is how it was supposed to be done the first time, y'all. And then you want to start by peeling the corner and just basically like peeling the tape off, and do it slowly. Every single rhinestone should come off. If not, you can always put it back down and re-stick it. Like that one right there didn't come off, so I'm just gonna go in and re-stick it down. So this is what the rhinestone template looks like, and we are just going to put this away and save it for later. But as you can see, the stones are super duper sparkly. So yes, this is the template, and all we do is put this away and store it for later whenever we're ready to press it. And as for the flock material, you can reuse this. To store this away, what I'm going to do is use some parchment paper, And you can find this at Joann's or at Walmart in like the baking aisle. I'll do it like that. And you could put this on top of your parchment paper. Like so. And then you can fold it up for later usage. And it is brand as new. And it's not going to stick. If you guys are concerned about it sticking to the parchment paper, it won't. It won't. It'll stick enough to the point where it'll reserve it, but it won't like mess it up. Hi guys, so it is the next day. I'm currently on my way to an eye appointment. I'm really sleepy if y'all can't already tell. Okay you guys, so I am back at home and luckily I was able to find the White Edition Cameo 4 and I made it in time to purchase this bad boy, y'all, because it was the last one left. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, you guys, so the Cameo is just about done, but in the meantime I'm gonna go ahead. Sorry if you guys can't hear me, I know the Cameo is a little bit loud, but I purchased these little containers from Joann's, and they're just like little tubs. Well, not little, they're kind of like rather large tubs, but I'm gonna pour all of my Hot Fix rhinestones that are clear into this one, and I believe these are the SS16 stones. So instead of me keeping them in this little small container, I'm gonna go ahead and fill them up in this large container. Once again, you guys, I think these are SS16s. I want to be able to weed this away just effortlessly. So although most of the cutouts came out on the paper, I want all of the cutouts to come out on the paper. This is the same thing I showed y'all last night. I just want to see if it does better as far as like the stones falling into the holes with the cut. Okay guys, so change of plans. I actually cut out the wrong rhinestone size template for the Barbie doll head girl again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with this other template that I made the other night, which is Winnie the Pooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour these black Hot Fix stones on top of Winnie. And I'm gonna begin brushing them in and see if these do a little bit better. Oh, these are doing much better, y'all. It works a lot better when you cut out the correct size stone. So don't make the same mistake as me, y'all. I totally cut out the wrong size rhinestone. So that's why I've been having trouble with the Barbie logo head, because I just keep on cutting out the wrong size. I don't know what's going on with me today, y'all. Me and Barbie is just not getting along. Put these in his nose and his ears. So it is the next day. So I think what I want to do today is finish my Stewie cup. So I'm going to set you guys up and we're going to clean this table off. Okay you guys, so all I'm doing right now is finishing up this cup. I did a silver one. This is what it's looking like so far. I got to go back in and fill in the gaps. I got the table cleared off. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that cup up and then I'll be right back. So yeah, super duper pretty. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and if you are not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so that you are always notified when new content is uploaded. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.